Welcome to the Soap Base. This is another simple 3 ingredients for busy moms. Let's start. Here is the 3 ingredients you need: shea butter, lemongrass oil, and spirulina powder. Now we cut 4 ounces soap. It's simple. You can cut here in 3 times. Let's continue this side. You can cut, it's super simple. Done. Now we can put all the soaps here in this bowl and microwave for 30 seconds. Oh yes, you can see that it's melted very good. You need to check this point for this. Mix the 3 ingredients together. You put the lemongrass, like 10 or 15 drops, like this. You mix it and put this. It's simple, no? Now let's pour the soap into the mold. You can fill into the top. Now you spray alcohol. It's done. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. See you soon.